If your mornings aren't what they used to be, if that quiet in the bedroom has become your new normal, or if you catch yourself avoiding mirrors because your confidence isn't what it used to be, then listen closely. What I'm about to share isn't a magic pill. It's not a complicated device. It's not even a supplement. It's one simple vegetable that, when eaten first thing in the morning, can kickstart your circulation, boost your energy, and revive the part of your life you've been quietly missing. And yes, I've seen it work for men in their 60s, 70s, even early 80s. I'm Dr. Jocelyn. I've spent the last 5 years helping men over 60 reclaim their vitality, confidence, and intimate strength. And today, I'm going to show you a natural, science-backed way to wake up your body and restore your manhood, starting with one morning habit. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any practical tips that help you reclaim your energy and confidence. And drop a comment below. Where are you watching from? Type it in. I love hearing from my viewers. Here's a truth most men over 60 never hear. Weak erections aren't always about low testosterone. In fact, one of the most overlooked causes is poor blood flow. Your erections depend on one gas, nitric oxide. This little molecule tells your blood vessels to relax, allowing oxygen-rich blood to fill the sponge-like tissue inside your penis. But as men age, nitric oxide levels naturally drop, sometimes by more than 70%. Arteries stiffen, blood vessels respond more slowly, and what used to happen effortlessly becomes a struggle. I've seen countless men look me in the eye and say, "Doc, I guess my best years are behind me." And I tell them, no. You're not past your prime. Your body just needs the right signal. Because when your blood flows the way it should, everything changes. Your energy, your stamina, your confidence, and yes, your erections. Now, I want to share a secret I've discovered in my 5 years of clinical practice. The simplest, most overlooked way to restore nitric oxide production in older men isn't a pill. It's a vegetable you can eat every morning. Meet beetroot. Yes, the humble red beet. This root is packed with dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. And here's the best part. It doesn't just help your heart or your brain, it targets pelvic circulation, the very vessels responsible for erections. Let me give you a real-life example. 1. Charles, 71, retired engineer. Charles hadn't had a full erection in over a year. He was discouraged, embarrassed, and disconnected from his partner. All we did was add half a cup of fresh beet juice each morning to his routine. 2 weeks later, he called me almost emotional. "Dr. Jocelyn, I feel like myself again." Blood flow improved, energy returned, confidence returned, and the best part, no pills, no gadgets, just a simple vegetable. 2, the biology behind it. Here's what happens when you eat beets. Step 1, your mouth's bacteria convert dietary nitrates into nitrites. Step 2, once swallowed, your stomach and bloodstream finish the conversion, producing nitric oxide. Step 3, nitric oxide signals your blood vessels to relax, improving circulation throughout your body, including your pelvic region. Minutes after drinking beet juice, your blood starts flowing more freely. Over days, weeks, and months, this builds stronger erections, better energy, and improved overall cardiovascular health. 3, common mistakes men make. Even with beets, men often sabotage their results. Processed breakfast meats like bacon or sausage tighten blood vessels. Sugary pastries and refined carbs spike insulin and disrupt testosterone. Too much caffeine on an empty stomach raises cortisol, constricting arteries. Instead, pair your beet juice with nutrient-rich foods, boiled eggs, nuts, avocado on whole grain toast. These fuel nitric oxide production and support hormone balance. Morning is your golden window. Here's the best routine. Timing. On an empty stomach, first thing in the morning. Preparation. Half a cup of roasted beet slices. OR, blend a small beet into a morning smoothie. OR, a scoop of high-quality beetroot powder in warm water. Small details. Avoid brushing teeth or using mouthwash immediately before or after to preserve the friendly bacteria that convert nitrates to nitric oxide. Stick to this consistently. Even just 7 days can bring noticeable results. By day 14, many men experience stronger responses. By 30 days, the foundation of long-term vascular health and confidence is built. It's not just about erections. It's about waking up and feeling connected to your body, feeling that quiet pride return, feeling like you matter again. Take, for example, a 74-year-old widower I worked with. He had spent years retreating from life, feeling invisible. 3 weeks of morning beet juice, a short walk, and intentional breathing transformed not just his circulation, but his mindset. He told me, "I feel like I've woken up, not just physically, something deeper." For men over 60, these small changes are monumental. They restore dignity, emotional balance, and the confidence to engage fully in life and relationships again. So here's the takeaway. Weak erections after 60 aren't inevitable. Poor circulation, not age alone, is often the culprit. One simple vegetable, beets, can kickstart nitric oxide production, restore blood flow, and reignite energy, stamina, and intimacy. Morning matters, timing matters, consistency matters. You don't need perfection, you need daily intention. 1 glass of beet juice, one small commitment, one morning at a time. You're not past your prime, you're just getting started. If this video helped you see your body in a new light, hit like, share it with a friend or brother, and leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to try this morning beet routine. I read every comment and I learned from each of you. And finally, subscribe for more real, practical, hope-filled advice that helps men over 60 reclaim their strength, vitality, and confidence, one day at a time. Remember, age isn't the end of your vitality. It's the beginning of a new chapter, and you're still in control. Dr. Jocelyn signing off.